Hey everybody, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is March 30th. It's the day before it's a new month. So it's the 30th. We still have the 31st, but we will be in April next week whenever you see me again. But today is a 52-week challenge and the Budget Mom Challenge. So we are finishing March Budget Mom Challenge, and then we are going to be heading right into April's, and I will definitely let y'all know what the challenges is for April. And we are doing the 52-week challenge, so if you are new to my channel, every Tuesday we do the 52-week challenge. We stuff the 52-week challenge, and we are aiming to save $1,350 by the end of the 52 weeks, which is the end of December. And I do a $10 Amazon gift card every single week if I choose your number. And it is super exciting. We have had a couple of good winners. So I'm just going to show y'all real quick. So we have had 7 winners since January, and the other times I have pulled a number, they have not matched with a person who guessed my number. But it's always fun, so be sure to comment your number down below and hit that subscribe and notification, because you will be notified every Tuesday whenever I upload this. And this video always gets uploaded at 5 p.m. CST time, Central time. So set your alarm, hit that notification so you will not miss it. All right, so first off, we're going to be doing the Budget Mom Challenge. So in the month of March, we have been putting 10% back of our savings. Now, I don't make a lot of money at work, so I have been doing the 10% off of the last paycheck that I got was $116. It was the first paycheck of March. So I just went ahead and started just doing that. So we are going to be putting $12 in. 10, 11, 12. So we are putting an extra $12 in here, and that should end us with being done in March. So that is super exciting. So 10%, we're going to add that, and then 36 plus 12 equals to $48 is how much we have saved so far for March, for the end of March. And we're just going to count and make sure that $48 matches with the cash that we have. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, and 48. So $48 is done. We are officially done for March. So we are going to go ahead and add January and February up with the $48. So plus $44 in January and plus $120 in February equals $212 is how much we have so far for the 2021 Budget Mom Challenge. And a lot of people have asked what I'm going to do with this money. I am actually going to be putting it towards the wedding. So everything that I save up all the way up to September will be going to the wedding. And then after the September, then everything will be going towards debt or anything like that. All right, so before we get into the 52-week challenge, I do want to go over April's Budget Mom Challenge. So there is 2 challenges. One is technically not really a like saving money or anything, but you could turn it into a savings money. So the first one is what I'm actually personally going to be doing. It is count your bills. So for this challenge, every Wednesday, we're going to count the amount of dollar bills we have in our variable cash envelopes. So variable to me is like your groceries, your fund money, your gas, any miscellaneous, anything like that. That is what I call my variables. So, and then you save that amount. For example, if you have $29 bills in all of your variables cash envelopes, you would save $29. Now, I'm not going to show you how much I have right now. It's really not going to be a lot because I only have 2 categories. I have groceries and gas. And gas is always, I rarely ever have dollar bills for gas. So it's technically just going to be groceries. So I'm kind of thinking about bumping that up, either doubling my dollar bills or counting the dollar bills and $5 bills. So let me know down below what y'all think, because I think that would be super fun. But either way, we are saving some money, and that is going to happen every Wednesday. Now, only because it has started on Friday, it started on Sunday, and now we're starting on Tuesday with marches, and this one says Wednesday. So we are probably most likely going to be uploading on Wednesday, hopefully. If not, we can always just continue this on Tuesday. But anyway, so yeah, so you're going to count how many dollar bills you have, and that is how much you're actually going to be saving. So it does say you can customize this challenge by doubling the amount of the dollar bills if you want to challenge yourself even more. Divide the number of bills by 2 if you need to decrease the amount. All right, so and then last challenge is eat at home. So pretty much you do not want to be going out to eat and spending that out to eat budget. So technically you just want to stay home, cook your meals, clean out your pantry, anything like that. So you can, I'm not going to read all of this only because I do want to get into the 52-week challenge. So you can pause this video right now or screenshot it or anything, and then come back later and you can do that challenge. And it does give you like an at home for the week, a grocery list, and what you want to eat, breakfast, lunch, dinner. And I already do that myself, so I technically don't need that challenge. But we are going to be focusing on the count your bills. So I'm super excited about that. Hopefully I can get a lot of dollar bills. Maybe I'll just be like, hey, can you like change this 5 for a dollar bill? That would be pretty wrong. I want to play fair and everything, so we'll just see how it is. All right, so the 52-week challenge. To this week, we have had 24 people who guessed it, and congratulations to Miss Dr. Pepper from last week for winning, and she did claim her prize, her $10 Amazon gift card. So that is super exciting. Congratulations again. So we have 24 comments and 24 people who commented a number, so I'm super excited. I'm kind of hoping, there's a lot of big numbers on here, but I am kind of hoping for a smaller number because I don't get paid until Friday, and I don't have a lot of cash on me. Like I have this much. So I'm kind of hoping for a smaller one. If not, that's fine. We can always get into our like grocery budget or our gas budget, because I'm not going to be going to the grocery store that much. The only thing I really need is to get Jared some apples, which I told him I would go and get him some from Fresh Market if he doesn't go to Walmart and get his. So I promised I would go and get him some Fresh Market, not Fresh Market, but the produce stand. All right, so let's go ahead and pick a number, and if your name is chosen, you have until Friday 3 p.m. to claim your prize. If not, it is non-void, and my email is always in the description, so make sure you just go and email me. All right, so let's choose this one, and I'm kind of scared. Oh gosh, let's see. 44. 44, that's a lot. So I'm just going to have to try to find 44 somehow. All right, so somebody did win. It is Momming in the City. And we do have Brown Sugar, but she was the second person who guessed it. But the first person who gets the $10 Amazon gift card is Momming in the City, and she is completely amazing. She is so encouraging, and also Brown Sugar, she is encouraging as well. Absolutely love both of them. They are always commenting on my videos, giving me great advice, encouraging me every single time I do upload, and they are just wonderful people. They have a channel. Go ahead and click their channels because they are awesome. And congratulations to Momming in the City. Please email me because I would absolutely love to give you the $10 Amazon gift card so you can enjoy it or buy some like budgeting stuff from Amazon. But anyways, congratulations to the winners, but also congratulations to Mommying in the City for commenting first. So if you would want to beat the people who pretty much, if there's a popular number, there's a lot of people that's going to be commenting. So if you want to be in it, then make sure you hit that notification, because then you can go and automatically comment on a number, so you can be the first person to claim that number, so you can automatically, if you win, then you win. All right, so $44. So we're gonna have to find some money somehow, you guys. So let's see how much I have right here first. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So I have $28. Let's see, 44 minus 28. So that is $16 is how much we have to find. And I think I might, let's see, 10, 15, let's see. Wait, that's not 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that is all of my cash. My dog is barking. I think I actually have cash from when I went to the cleaners earlier today. So I'm going to pause the video and find that. All right, so I was right. I did have $5 back from whenever I took my uniform to get it dry clean because I have to wear it to clinical orientation this week. So let's count to see if we have 44 now. If not, then I'm going to have to ask Jared to borrow some money or something. All right, so 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, $44. So we have $3 left. So we're just going to put that aside. So this is $44, which is still super exciting. And we are going to go ahead and color. So 44 is going to be getting a pink. I say that I did not want a big number, but I am thankful that I have a big number, because the bigger numbers that are knocked out earlier leaves me for smaller numbers whenever Christmas comes around, or holidays, or more birthdays at the end of the year. So I am super excited about that. So still keep guessing big numbers. We will find a way to stuff the money in case, just if I have to like decrease my grocery budget, I can, because as you know, Jared's the one who actually buys the groceries while I'm in school. The only thing he won't buy is my Ibotta stuff, so which is fair. But yeah. So keep those comments going, because I want to get rid of these big numbers, you guys. I really do. All right, so let's go ahead and count. So we are looking for, I actually need to grab my calendar real quick. Let's flip all the way to the back. This is actually my old Erin Condren. So we need to find 52-week challenge and write $44. Let's see, 320 plus 44, $364. So if we have anything around the 40s area, next week we will hit another milestone and have $400. So that would be super exciting. So hopefully I can pull that. So we are looking for $364. Let's get our money out of our envelopes. And these clear envelopes are actually from Amazon. I believe I have it linked down below. but I'm not sure. If I don't, then I will be sure to do it while I am editing this video. All right, so let's go ahead and count it. 1, 2, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 93, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, and 64. So 64, 1, 2, and 3. So $64 is how much we have, and it does match our Erin Condren planner. So that is super exciting. I need to get some bigger bills for this because sooner or later this will not be able to close up, or I'll probably going to break the zipper off. But anyways, congratulations again to the winners, and congratulations to Mommying in the City for winning the $10 Amazon gift card. Absolutely love you guys, and thank you for always commenting. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to comment a number down below, and if you are a OG, you know what to do, you guys. But anyways, I love you guys, and thank you again for all of your love and support. And hopefully we'll be doing the Budget Mom. As you can see, I don't have any dollar bills left in my cash envelope, so we will have to figure that out. But yeah, it's okay. We're gonna save something in April. But anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.